Okay, it's 2004 Polaris Sportsman 600. This is how you change the oil. So currently I'm on the left-hand side of the bike. Doesn't matter what side you're on. So you're gonna come up underneath here. When we get down to the bottom, there is a little drain plug right here. You're gonna take and undo that. So let me do that real quickly. All right, so I loosened it up. So you can see I can turn it by hand now. You want to get your drain, whatever it's going to go into. You want to get it ready, because once you pull this out, you're going to have a bunch of oil come out. This stuff's pretty black. I already looked at it once through the dipstick. So here you go. Twist, 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 twist. And it'll just come running out. So you can see how black that is. So you're going to wait a few minutes, and once that's done draining, you're going to take and you're going to refill it back through where the oil plug is at, which is, sorry, the dipstick's at, not the oil plug, dipstick right here. So you're just going to take it and unlatch this and pull it up, get a funnel, and then pour it down into there. It takes 2 quarts. But before you do that, once this is all drained out, you're going to take and you're going to put your plug back in there, and then you'll fill it up. If you have any questions, let me know.